Alright, picture this, you're juggling a million tasks. Deadlines are looming, projects are piling up, and your brain feels like it's running on dial-up. You've heard whispers of this magical tool, Trello, that's supposed to organize your chaos. But then, a nagging question pops into your head. Does Trello have spreadsheets? Because let's be honest, sometimes you just need that grid, that clean, organized data, right? You've probably been there. You're knee-deep in project management tools, trying to find that perfect balance between visual organization and data crunching. You know, Trello is all about those cards and boards, moving things around, seeing progress at a glance. But what about when you need to dive deeper, when you need to analyze, calculate, and manipulate data in a way that only a spreadsheet can offer? Because, let's face it, we all have those moments. You're tracking inventory, managing budgets, or maybe even planning a complex event. You need to see the numbers, you need to filter and sort, you need formulas to do their magic. You're thinking, is Trello just pretty pictures? Or can it actually handle the nitty-gritty? This isn't just a random question. It's a reflection of how we approach work today. We live in a world where visual tools are king, but data is still the backbone of everything we do. We're constantly searching for that perfect hybrid, that tool that can give us both the visual clarity and the analytical power we crave. So, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Trello, in its core form, offer traditional spreadsheet functionality? The short answer is no. Trello itself is not a spreadsheet application. It's built around the Kanban methodology, focusing on visual task management using cards, lists, and boards. It's designed to give you a clear overview of your workflow, making it easy to see what's in progress, what's done, and what's coming up next. But that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. The beauty of Trello lies in its flexibility and its extensive ecosystem of Power UPS. These Power UPS are like add-ons, extending Trello's functionality and allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. And yes, there are Power UPS that bring spreadsheet-like capabilities to Trello. Let's break down some of the ways you can bridge the gap between Trello's visual organization and spreadsheet functionality. First, consider the Table Power-Up. This power-up allows you to create tables directly within your Trello boards. You can organize card data into rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. You can add custom fields to your cards, and those fields will populate the columns in your table. This gives you a structured view of your data, making it easier to filter, sort, and analyze. Imagine you're managing a content calendar in Trello. You can use the Table Power-Up to create a table that shows the title of each article, the author, the due date, and the status. You can then filter the table to see all articles due in the next week or sort it by author. It's not a full-fledged spreadsheet, but it provides a significant level of data organization and analysis. Another option is to integrate Trello with dedicated spreadsheet applications like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Many Power UPS allow you to sync data between Trello and your spreadsheet of choice. This means you can manage your tasks in Trello and then export the data to a spreadsheet for more advanced analysis. For example, you could use a Power-Up to export all the data from your Trello cards to a Google Sheet. You can then use Google Sheets' powerful formulas and functions to calculate totals, create charts, and generate reports. This gives you the best of both worlds, the visual organization of Trello and the analytical power of Google Sheets. You can also use automation tools like Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, to create custom integrations between Trello and spreadsheets. These tools allow you to set up workflows that automatically transfer data between different applications. For instance, you could create a Zap that automatically adds a new row to a Google Sheet every time a card is moved to a specific list in Trello. This level of automation can save you a significant amount of time and effort. You don't have to manually copy and paste data between Trello and your spreadsheet. The data is transferred automatically, ensuring that your spreadsheet is always up to date. Beyond these direct integrations, there are other creative ways to use Trello's features to mimic spreadsheet functionality. For example, you can use custom fields to add numerical data to your cards. You can then use Trello's search and filter features to find cards that meet specific criteria. While this isn't as powerful as a full spreadsheet, it can be useful for simple data analysis. Consider a scenario where you're tracking customer feedback in Trello. You can use custom fields to record the customer's rating, the date of the feedback, and the product they're reviewing. You can then search for cards with a rating of 5 stars or filter the cards by date. This allows you to quickly identify trends and patterns in your customer feedback. You can also use Trello's checklists to create simple tables within your cards. For example, you could create a checklist with columns for item, quantity, and price. While this isn't as visually appealing as a dedicated spreadsheet, it can be useful for tracking small amounts of data. The key takeaway here is that while Trello doesn't have built-in spreadsheet functionality, it offers a wide range of options for integrating with spreadsheets or using Power UPS to add spreadsheet-like capabilities. You can choose the approach that best suits your needs and your workflow. So, to circle back to our original question, does Trello have spreadsheets? The answer is nuanced. No, Trello doesn't have spreadsheets in the traditional sense, but it provides powerful ways to integrate with spreadsheets or add spreadsheet-like functionality through Power UPS. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your specific needs and how you want to use Trello. If you need to perform complex data analysis, integrating with a dedicated spreadsheet application is likely the best option. If you just need to organize and analyze simple data, Power UPS-like table may be sufficient. The beauty of Trello is its flexibility. It's a tool that can be adapted to a wide range of workflows and use cases. Whether you're a project manager, a content creator, or a freelancer, Trello can help you stay organized and productive. And with the right Power UPS and integrations, you can even bring the power of spreadsheets to your Trello boards. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different approaches. Find the combination of tools and techniques that works best for you. Embrace the power of integration and automation. Explore the world of Trello Power UPS and discover how they can transform your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.